Um, so, um, I'm bored. And I decided to make a freaking YouTube. So, that's what I did. I got bored, and I freaking made a YouTube. And I'm gonna post videos, like all the time. So, that should be fun. Um, so yeah. Yeah. Um, if you even heard it, I don't know. Um, so, yeah, I'm gonna go, because I feel rambling. Yeah, um, yeah, this is thumbs up, so, yeah, bye.